Namaste. We have the great occasion today, that is Annual Day celebration. We decided instead of cancelling or postponing our Annual Day celebration, we should conduct it online to kindle the spirit of togetherness and to encourage our students to showcase their talent in spite of the difficult time. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. So, arise, awake, and not stop till your goal is achieved. We also did same thing, and with this determination, we conducted all the curricular and co-curricular activities. For this, I extend my sincere thanks to our management for supporting us. I thank to all my teaching and non-teaching staffs for their tireless and hard work. I thank to all my children for actively participating in all the activities. I conclude by extending my sincere gratitude to our parents and all the well-wishers for supporting us. So I must say, every single person who is associated with us, they deserve a big round of applause and making this 2020 a great year for us. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Dear parents and children of Kairali Spondale School, due to the present situation, we are unable to conduct the annual function as it was before. But still, we should not miss the event. The year 2020 is going to finish. With a lot of hope and expectations, we are going to welcome the new year. In 2020, we lost so many things. Children lost one academic year. Many of the parents lost their job and source of income. But still, we survived this year. This year helped us to understand who is our real friend. The one who stands with us during the time of difficulties is our true friend. Many parents stood with the school during this time of difficulty. I use this opportunity to thank all the parents who cooperated with the school and helped the management to run the school smoothly. I would like to announce that the management has decided to start class 8 from next academic year onwards. I hope this will be a great help for the parents whose children are studying here in class 7. On behalf of the school management and teachers, I wish all of you a very happy Christmas and prosperous New Year. Christmas brings hope. Many of us light a star in front of our house during the time of Christmas because star symbolizes hope, expectation of something that is going to happen better. So I request all the parents to light a star in front of your house during this Christmas season till the New Year day. Let the New Year 2021 be a year of hope, and I pray that all the difficulties given by 2020 disappear and the next year and the coming years be a time of prosperity, health and happiness. Wish you all once again a happy Christmas and prosperous New Year. Thank you.
खुशी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के दिन को से चल बनाए आसियां। लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी।
Greetings to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment for celebrating annual day. It is an honor for me to deliver my welcome speech. Yes, children are the future of our state as well as our country. They will grow up and definitely will be the citizens of our beloved tomorrow. They may grow up to achieve great success, name and fame, as well as high values. I feel proud to say that we students have the potential to become worthy citizens of our society. Undoubtedly, we are very fortunate to have such teachers, trainers, and instructors who recognize us. If this infrastructure and teachers are new resources available to the school, then definitely the students are really one of the joys of teaching. Brought that creative, academic, and sporting potential out of the students. We all are joined here on this annual day online to motivate and inspire the young minds to showcase their talents. And this platform is also an opportunity to welcome our chief guest of today's evening. Thank you.
अटक अटक झटपट पन घट पर चटक मटक एक नार नवेली, गोरी गोरी ग्वालन की छोरी चली चोरी चोरी मुख मोरी मोरी मुस्काए अलबेली। कंकरी गली में मारी कंकरी कन्हैया ने पकड़ी बाह और की अट खेली, भरी पिचकारी मारी सरा रा 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 रा, भोली पनी हारी बोली
अरे जा रे हट नटखट ना छूर मेरा घूंघट, पलट के दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे। अरे जा रे हट नटखट ना छूर मेरा घूंघट, पलट के दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे। मुझे समझो ना तुम भोली भाली रे।
आया होली का त्योहार, उड़े रंग की बौछार, तू है नार नखरेदार मतवाली रे, आज मीठी लगे है तेरी गाली रे।
और देखा धनबाद, रामगढ़ देखा, दुमका देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे झारखंड में कहीं नहीं है ऐसा संस्थान, ऐसा संस्थान, ऐसा संस्थान। ये स्कूल एक मंदिर, ये स्कूल एक मंदिर, मंदिर ये तो बोकारो की शान, ये मेरा केरली, आई लव माई केरली, ये मेरा केरली, आई लव माई केरली। ये स्कूल एक मंदिर, मंदिर ये तो बोकारो की शान, ये मेरा केरली, आई लव माई केरली, ये मेरा केरली, आई लव माई केरली। जब छेड़ा है तान किसी ने, झूम के बच्चे गाए, मान बढ़ा दी विद्यालय की जब कोयल गीत सुनाए। सात रंगों का संगम है जीवन शिक्षा की माला, हम अपने बच्चों को भी कहते हैं बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला। ये मेरा केरली, आई लव माई केरली, ये मेरा केरली, आई लव माई केरली।